In this section, we will talk about i3CONNECT AllSync. AllSync is the screen sharing solution that is integrated into i3CONNECT Studio. Just like the whiteboard, we can easily access it through the home screen tiles that you can see behind me. If we press on the Present button, the AllSync app is immediately opened. We can see there the network that the display is connected to, the name of the display itself, as well as the PIN code that you might need for some sharing protocols. This is the same information that you can also see in the top right of your home screen. On the bottom left of the display, we can get instructions for how we need to share for any specific device. For example, if we have a Windows device, we can just press the icon and all of the information that we need to share our screen is available at a glance. Now let's give that a try. I have an iPhone right here, for which we can use AirPlay to share straight into the display. We swipe down from the top and press screen mirroring and find the display that we need. As you can see, this display is called Elm2 Webinar Dienst. We click on it and we are asked for the code, which in this case is 3058. 3058. When we press OK, the connection will be made and now you can see everything on the phone, also on the big screen. That's a nice picture of you in the audience. We can stop screen sharing easily by pressing it right there. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward to share instantly to the display, not only through our own AllSync app, but also through native protocols like Google Cast, AirPlay and Miracast. Now, if your users need some more instructions, there's a specific view in AllSync that instantly explains how you need to connect. If we go to the settings in the bottom right corner, you can see there's two modes. On the right, we have the straight to business mode, which we are in right now. And on the left, we have the show them how it's done mode. Now, if we apply that and press OK, you can see that the instructions that were on the bottom left are now fully in the middle of the screen. We can press any device, for example, the Windows device, and the instructions are displayed right there. Now that concludes i3CONNECT AllSync.